Hello everybody, it's Dahlia and welcome back to another video, guys. Today's video is going to be a 5-minute makeup look, plus I did receive some goodies from DEPOlOGY and I'm so excited to test out their skincare products, which I'm very excited about. It's gonna be a quick 5-minute makeup look, not too long. This is basically my 5-minute makeup look. Nothing too crazy, simple to achieve, and honestly it only takes me 5 minutes. So of course this video is going to be a little long just because of the chatting and then because I am showing you the haul of the skincare product. If you guys are new to my channel, hello, my name is Dahlia and welcome to my channel, guys. If you guys are not subscribed, go ahead and subscribe down below. Just hit that red button and notification bell so you will not miss any videos. That is pretty much it, guys. I really hope that you guys enjoy this video, and let's go ahead and start with this video, shall we? I'm going to start with skincare products that I received from DEPOlOGY. Off camera, I did wash my face with the Survey cleanser, and I'm gonna go ahead and apply the products that I received. So I got my package here. So kind and sent me 3 skincare products to try, and I'm just so excited. I heard really good things about the Matrix 3000 serum, Wrinkle Defense serum. I haven't heard anything yet, but I'm really excited to try that because, you know, it's a good starter to prevent any wrinkles. First, I'm gonna start with the DEPOlOGY Matrix 3000 Collagen Boosting Serum. This is what it looks like. This is advanced serum solution developed to target wrinkles, but I know I have a lot of fine lines around my forehead, my mouth area, and right here. I like to read the directions. It's important how to apply these products on your face. Apply a few drops to your face in the morning and night before heavier treatments, focusing on your problem spots. So you don't apply it all over your face, you apply it on the main spots that you need. Make sure the serum is fully absorbed before layering any other more skincare products. Aging, which helps to firm the skin and dramatically reduce fine lines, wrinkles. This is more anti-aging and it helps firm the skin and reduce fine lines and wrinkles. This has everything in one product, which is amazing. This is what it looks like. This has 1.01 fluid ounce. It's a nice bottle. Oh, I'm gonna go ahead and apply the serum and apply it on the forehead. Lights on my face or on my chin. Why not? And kind of massage it gently. Nice serum. It's very smooth on the skin. It really hydrates your face. It feels so nice compared to other serums. Your fingers, depending how you apply it, it dries up and it leaves like a dry patch. This one, it does not. It just feels so amazing. And it gives you that really nice glow. This is like my favorite product so far, and I'm so excited to use morning and my night routine. Product I'm gonna go in is with the Peptide Complex 10%. This is for Wrinkle Defense Serum. This one is more multi-peptide serum formulated to prevent wrinkles formation caused by muscle movement. This serum also aids collagen to production, which helps to combat fine line, reflection, and moisturize the level in the skin. Ooh, this is really fancy. It's more like a gray tone, but this is really nice. So I'm gonna go ahead and take this one. This one is 1.0 fluid ounce, again, same ounce. Really nice packaging, love it. And take 3 drops of this. Apply it 1, 2, 3. Taking my fingers again and just, ooh, this feels so cool. Oh my gosh, this feels so nice. Feels so amazing, really good. I love how it looks. Again, it gives you a really nice glow to the face. About these 2 serums, they're super amazing, and I'm 100% sure my mom's gonna love these serums for sure. They also send out a caviar serum stick. I don't know what this is, but this is what the package looks like. Balm stick developed target wrinkles wrinkles. And this is more of a solid balm serum stick to formulate with caviar and designed to give your complexion luminescent radiance. This product works to minimize visible signs, aging, soothing, hydrating, locking moist, reduce dryness under makeup, delivering a youthful, long-lasting, soothing the skin, hydrating the skin, and reduce dryness. I have extremely dry skin. Okay, really bad skin. And since we're in the winter, my skin has gotten a little worse. So I'm really excited to apply this. Let me look at the directions. So it says, after a skincare routine, gently glide the serum stick all over your entire face, upward motion, and also apply the serum to the neck area. Full hydrating coverage. When your skin needs a boost throughout the day, the serum stick can be used over makeup to refresh, patch dry skin, a glow. Okay, so basically you can take this anywhere with you if you need it, or serum stick. So you open this up and you get this really nice balm. Apply this. I'm gonna apply it on the forehead for sure. Really nice, like kind of like a soothing, nice smell. It's not strong where it irritates your skin, any redness, nothing like that. It's super safe on your skin and it just feels so good. It feels so hydrating when you apply it, not harsh on the skin. Okay, these products are so amazing. So far, I really like them and I just cannot wait to add this in my skincare routine. So I'm really happy with all three products. And I think these are really amazing for Christmas gifts. I honestly love it. It gives a really nice glowy to the skin. Products, they're so amazing. They're very soothing and it just feels so great on the skin. But look at this. Look at this. So glowing. Oh my gosh. So nice. Yes, love it. Super amazing products. So I'm just taking the Inky List eye cream. I always love to apply eye cream. So now I'm gonna take my Bad Habit hydrating mist. I'm gonna apply the EOS Candy Cane Swirl. This smells so good. Go ahead and start with my 5-minute makeup look. I'm gonna go in with the e.l.f. Halo Glow Liquid Filter, and I got the shade 2, which is fair and light. I love like a really glow makeup. And going in with my e.l.f. Makeup Mist and Setting Spray. I'm just gonna spray that sponge, my Equal Tools, and I'm just gonna blend that in. I go in with my e.l.f. Halo Glow Contour, and I got the shade Medium Tan. Here, well, let's do 3. Apply it on the forehead. And I'm also gonna apply it on my eyelid, just because I don't have time to apply eyeshadow. Equal Tool sponge and just blend my contour. I'm just going in with my AOA Studio Color Flush Liquid Blush, and just gonna, I don't know the shade, oh, Peach. Just gonna apply that on my cheekbones. Fit Me Concealer. I like not so much product. I just like to do a little dot right here and then the line. And then I'm just gonna apply a little bit on the nose, down the bridge, kind of like the forehead area, and that's pretty much it that I'm gonna do. I'm going back with my Equal Tools brush and just blending the concealer in. in with the e.l.f. Camel Concealer Sponge, and just gonna spray that and blend the concealer in. If I'm chatting, I'm so sorry. When I'm chatting, it's like it takes up a lot of time, but it literally takes me like 5 minutes to do my makeup. The Wet n Wild Photo Focus Translucent. I only like to set my under eyes just because they do crease. I'm all gonna apply it under my eyes, my eyelid, because that's where it creased, these areas. So I like to apply that. I'm going in with my Merit Beauty Brow, and this is the shade Brown. I don't have time to do my brows. It literally takes me like 15 minutes to get the perfection eyebrows. So then when it comes to 5 minute, I like to go in with the brow gel and just kind of apply that. And I like to go upwards and then like that. And I do my own eyebrows. I'm never going to a brow salon ever again. I'm slowly but surely practicing doing my own brows at home, just because, like, honestly, I'm paying like freaking $20 to do my brows. I think I'd just rather do myself. It just needs a cleanup. Mascara, I'm going in with the e.l.f. Lash and Roll Mascara. This is such a nice mascara and is similar to the Benefit mascara. It's so good. I went ahead and grabbed like a little holiday theme balm just because I want to be on the spirit, and you know, I love the holidays. So I am applying that all over my lip. Lastly, I'm going in with the e.l.f. Makeup Mess Setting Spray just to set my entire face. Alright guys, that is pretty much it for my 5-minute makeup look. It's super easy to achieve. The skincare products from DEPOlOGY are so amazing. I fell in love with the Peptide 10% and the 3000 serums. They're so amazing. Soft, smooth, and it just gives that really nice, moist, hydrating to the skin, which I love. That's pretty much it, guys. I really hope that you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a big thumbs up, and I'll see you guys on the next video. Bye, guys.